Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11 and our today's subject is zoology and our today's topic is animal physiology. And in animal physiology, let's move first towards the digestion. Dear students, digestion. Digestion, we can say that it's the process. For example, when we put a morsel of food in the mouth, when we put a morsel of food in the mouth, that means the digestion. If we take the digestion of animals, digestion starts from the mouth and it ends at the anus. Digestion, for example, let us go in a detail. When we put a morsel of food in the mouth, it is first chewed by teeth. Chewed by teeth. In the teeth, it mixes up saliva. With which is a juice secreted by salivary glands. And these salivary glands, it has some enzymes called ptyalin. This ptyalin changes starch into the sugar. Then the food comes from the mouth into the stomach. Let's go in detail. For example, when we put a morsel of food in the mouth, let's take for example, अगर हम एक लुकमा किसी भी खाने का मुंह में डालते हैं तो सबसे पहले it is chewed by teeth, यानी इसको हम चबाते हैं दांतों से. When we chew it by the teeth, it mixes up saliva. तो यहाँ पे एक जूस मिलता है जो हमारे मुंह में पाया जाता है, that is saliva, थूक जिसको हम कहते हैं. It makes up saliva which is a juice secreted by salivary glands. These salivary glands, these have some enzymes. This enzyme called the ptyalin. This ptyalin changes the starch into the sugar. When it changes the starch into the sugar, this is the digestion of food in mouth. Then, after the mouth, this digestion moves towards the stomach. The food remains in the stomach for 3 to 4 hours. Approximately, it remains in the stomach for 3 to 4 hours, and if we talk about that, it remains in the stomach for 3 to 4 hours, and there are so many enzymes which help us the food to digest in the stomach. This food reaches into the stomach through esophagus, or we can say food pipe. When it reaches through the esophagus or food pipe into the stomach, then in the stomach it remains for 3 to 4 hours. This food remains in the stomach for 3 to 4 hours. And there are so many enzymes which help us the food in the stomach in the digestion. For example, trypsin है, chymotrypsin है, lipase है, amylase है, pepsin है. These are all the enzymes, and extra these enzymes. For example, gastric juice है, bile which comes from the bile duct. These enzymes and these juices help us the food to go for mastication, to go for further digestion. Then after that, after the stomach, the food reaches into the small intestine. Then large intestine, then into the small intestine. And in the large and small intestine, there are so many enzymes which also help us the food to digest further. Then after that, the digested food goes converted into the glucose C6, H12 and O6. It converts into the glucose, and then it converts into the blood and some other fluids. And undigested food, it comes out from the large intestine through anus, and it comes out. This is the simply we can say a simple digestion in today's introduction regarding animal physiology. First is digestion, but inshallah tomorrow we will discuss in detail. Thank you.